It is such a spectacular day here in Brooklyn, and I'm thinking, how amazing is it to have this view from your own private roof deck? Welcome to 34 Butler Place in Prospect Heights. I'm going to tell you this is the best neighborhood in Brooklyn without telling you it's the best neighborhood in Brooklyn. Come on, check it out. And here's what's within 10 minutes of your front door. So we're here on Vanderbilt Avenue, one of the best commercial streets in all of Brooklyn. It's got some of my favorite restaurants and cafes, and I'm going to finish the video with some shots of some of my favorite spots. Oh.